Welcome back. In this video, we're going to look at the team and security elements of the business settings. Now, you can add team members to your account so that they'll be able to do certain things that you designate without you having to give them your login and password. So you'll click this link that says team members. You'll then click this button that says add new user. So for example, if you just want someone to see your account, maybe you have a partner, you can do that. If you want to have a support specialist, if you want to have someone who is analyzing your content, if you want to have someone who is going to be working on your platform, or if you want someone to be equal to you in terms of what they're able to do with the account, you can do that. Now, in most cases, what you'll be doing is adding a support specialist. What you're going to do is put that person's email address here in this area and then click the invite button. Once that person confirms, they'll then be added to your account. Now, you'll also be able then to see when other individuals are logging in and when your account was accessed. And if you have any connected applications to your Stripe account, you'll be able to see it in this final section. So now that we've looked at the business settings, so we've now completed the team and security elements of the business settings. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.